have this straight, this transparent 13 by 35. This is awesome. This is beautiful. Like if you look at this, beautiful. So they have a variety of wigs and bundles. Great, I would say definitely come on in. And yeah, you should
Yeah.
you know, check it out.
I'm so happy. And how about your customers' feedback about?
Yes. Look, it's great. I love them. I use them for one of my stores, and the feedback is always great. The body, the volume, which is always good. From the top to the ending, you know, everything is great. So I would say definitely check them out. And yeah.
Great.
Yep.
So happy you have a good experience at TedHair.
Yes, and the service, the customer service here is awesome. They are in the Chicagoland area here. This is new, so the Chicagoland area are roughly about 35 to 40 minutes outside of Chicago. They're in Lisle, but nonetheless, it's great just to be able to stop by and pick up your bundles, your wigs. So yeah.